The most bizarre and deadly exoplanets. Hello guys, welcome back to Future Focus. Today we will be talking about the most bizarre and deadly exoplanets. It's almost hard to believe that until the early years of the 1990s, astronomers had yet to discover a planet outside the solar system. Even though scientists were certain that other stars orbited other stars, there was little evidence of other planetary systems until the discovery of two extrasolar planets, or exoplanets, orbiting the pulsar PSR 1257 plus 12 in 1992 by Alexander Wolszczyn and Dale Frail, as logged in the journal Nature. This initial discovery was soon followed by the observation of 51 Pegasi b, the first exoplanet discovered around a Sun-like star, in 1995, for which astronomers Mitchell Mayer and Didier Queloz were awarded the 2019 Nobel Prize in Physics. Since 1995, our exoplanet catalog has rapidly expanded. We have now confirmed over 4,000 worlds outside our solar system, with a further 7,000 or so suspects waiting to be classified, according to NASA. As our observation methods improve, this discovery process has only really just begun. And later this year, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will launch, with part of its mission dedicated to search for exoplanets. A surprising factor has started to present itself as we learn more about worlds outside the solar system. The universe is weird, really weird. From worlds that rain iron and glass to diamond worlds and planets that have escaped the grip of their parent stars. Our burgeoning exoplanet catalog demonstrates that our own solar system is reassuringly boring. 1. WASP-76b, the exoplanet that rains molten iron. Spotted in 2013 and further investigated by the ESPRESSO instrument on the Very Large Telescope in 2020. WASP-76b is a planet that is tidal locked to its parent star BD plus 01316. This means that one side of the planet permanently faces the star, causing scorchingly hot temperatures of around 4,532 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize iron. Molten iron droplets form and fall on this planet. The key clue that allowed astronomers to discover the presence of these iron rains came when the ESPRESSO instrument was used to investigate WASP-76b's atmosphere, and no traces of the element were found on one side of the world. WASP-76b isn't the only planet that experiences nightmare rains of this nature. As is often the case with exoplanets, further discoveries don't just up the ante, they make things a whole lot stranger. 2. HD 1897-33b showers of molten glass. From space, HD 1897-33b may appear to be a beautiful and tranquil world, resembling a giant glassy blue marble. With exoplanets, though, appearances can be deceptive, and this is definitely the case for this gas giant planet that completes an orbit of its star in just 2.2 days. In fact, its beautiful blue hue arises from its deadly weather, particularly the molten glass rains that pelt the planet's surface. Yet this isn't the extent of the planet's almost maniacal weather conditions. The exoplanet, discovered in 2005 by both NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and ESA's XMM Newton's X-ray telescopes, also experiences winds of around 5,600 miles, 9,000 kilometers per hour. These supersonic winds cause the exoplanet's glass rains to arc sideways towards the ground rather than just falling, also picking up silicate particles, turning them into microscopic projectiles. The fact that the exoplanet's atmosphere is capturing so much intense radiation from the stars of the HD 1897-33 binary system means that it is rapidly being stripped away to space. All may not be lost, however, as another extreme exoplanet demonstrates that sometimes depleted atmospheres get a second chance. 3. Gliese 1132b, the planet that grew a second atmosphere. Astronomers have recently discovered that something extraordinary is happening on Gliese 1132b. The gravitational influence of its star, 20% larger than the Sun, creates intense tidal forces that squeeze and stretch the planet. This flexing gives rise to violent volcanic activity and causes gases to rush to the world's surface. These gases are building the world a second atmosphere, according to NASA. Whilst this is exciting in itself, being the first time astronomers have ever spotted anything like this, the regrown atmosphere, due to its origin, also provides astrogeologists with a unique opportunity to study the interior chemical composition of an exoplanet by proxy. 4. Kepler 10b. In a galaxy far, far away. Kepler 10b, discovered in 2011 by the Kepler telescope, is tidally locked to its star. It also creates molten droplets of iron and silicates. The planet's surface is likely covered with lava much hotter than that found on Earth, because the harsh radiation from its host star has stripped away its atmosphere. These droplets on Kepler 10b won't fall on the night side of the planet, instead being blown clear of its surface by stellar winds, giving it a fiery tail. Kepler 10b isn't the only lava world discovered by the Kepler telescope. In 2013, the Space Telescope also found the exoplanet Kepler 78b, 40 times closer to its host star than Mercury, that completes a full orbit in a matter of hours. The result is an Earth-like world dominated by lava, which has been described by astronomer Timothy Sasolov as an abomination. Given their broiling lava surfaces, it's little wonder that these exoplanets have been compared to Mustafar, the planet in the Star Wars franchise that hosts a lightsaber duel between Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker. The lava of that fictional world results in hideous injuries to the young Jedi that force him to wear the iconic black armor and breathing apparatus of Darth Vader. Perhaps when considering a world to hold a duel to the death, somewhere that offers a cooler climate may be advisable. Fortunately, some exoplanets offer radically divergent conditions. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to stay tuned to our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos in the future. Remember to comment and share the video, and leave your comments down below in the comment section.